Hello my pretties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be trying out the viral TikTok hacks. So it'll be interesting to see which of them really work and which were a total fail. So yeah, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my new videos. And if you enjoyed this one, make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment below. And without much ado, let's get started. Let's start with the first hack, which is foundation slash base hack. So I saw this TikTok wherein this girl applies her cream contour and brightening concealer before her foundation, and you can see the amount of product that she's applying. I would never apply this amount of product, but this is supposed to give us a flawless base, so let's try it out. So I'll be using these two products, this as a brightening concealer from Forever 52 and this Maybelline V-Face Contour Stick. I think the Maybelline Contour Stick is a little light, so I'm adding this Pro Conceal Concealer from LA Girl in a darker shade to match with what she applied. So clearly you can see this is too much, but that's how she applied it. So let's just go on with the foundation. Next she says to blend out the foundation. I'm impressed, though the amount of product I've used is just insane, but the results are amazing. My face looks pretty good, it looks flawless. You can see it up close. You can see all the blemishes are gone. So hack number 1 is a hit from my side. Do try it out guys and let me know how do you like it. Let's move on to the next hack, which is how to get bomb lashes without mascara. So all you need are just two products, which is a lash curler and Vaseline. So all she does is apply some Vaseline on her lashes. No, she first curls her lashes and then applies the Vaseline. So let's just do it on one lash so that we can see the difference. Next I'm taking some Vaseline. I hope this works because sometimes I don't like applying mascara because removing mascara can be a task at times. So I hope this works. So you can clearly see the difference between both my lashes, and this one looks like we have applied a clear mascara. So this hacks definitely works, and I'm definitely gonna be trying this out more on the days when I don't feel like applying mascara. So yeah, it's a hit from my side. Let's move on to the next hack, which is for an instant lash lift. So this girl uses a hair dryer instead of an eyelash curler, and she applies mascara and then uses her hair dryer to get an instant lash lift. So let's see how this hack works. I'm gonna be applying on this eye. Let's see if we can get an eyelash lift with the hair dryer. I'm scared guys. It didn't work. It's too hot. Did you see any difference? I don't think so. So you must have seen so many people heat their eyelash curler before using them on the eyelashes to get that instant eyelash lift, and this is kind of similar to that, but I would never try out this hack again because this is kind of scary and it didn't even make any difference. So this is a total miss from my side. So let's move on to the next hack, which is the eyeliner hack. I'm gonna be turning an eyeshadow into an eyeliner. This girl scrapes some of her eyeshadow. You can make any eyeshadow your eyeliner, like use any color of your choice. So I'm gonna be using black. I have my black eyeshadow here, some setting spray. Wow, I'm glad it works. Guys, you can see it looks like gel liner only, so this is a good way of turning your eyeshadows into your eyeliner. This way you do not need to buy a separate liner. Use this hack and create your own colored eyeliner. I'm just loving this hack. Do let me know your favorite hack in the comments. I'm sure this is gonna be my favorite. I'm really impressed with this hack. This is a total hit from my side. The next hack again is the flawless foundation hack. Now in this case, you apply the powder first, even before your foundation. So she starts with the moisturizer.
Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. Then take some setting spray.
Then she applies the setting spray. I'm gonna be using my new purchase from Urban Decay. Smells like coconut water. Let's move on to the next step, which is the primer. So this is a weird order of applying the makeup, but let's just see. I'm gonna be using this one from Smashbox. After doing all the prep, she moves on to the foundation. Looks pretty similar. The reverse order didn't make any difference, so I'm not sure if I'm willing to try this hack in future, but it might work for you guys. So try it for yourself and see if it works for you, and if it does, then let me know in the comments below. Let's move on to the next hack, which is the highlighter hack. So this TikToker uses Vaseline as a base for her highlighter so that her highlighter pops more and it's long lasting. So let's try that out. I'm gonna take some Vaseline and we'll apply it on the high points of my cheeks, and I'm using this Maybelline highlighter. So you can see the glow, it's blinding, and I think the Vaseline, the highlighter in fact is getting stuck on the Vaseline. I'm not able to blend it out that well. I like this hack, but I'm not sure if this is long lasting, but it looks pretty good. So let's move on to the next hack. Let's just see if Vaseline can give us glossy lids. So I think it works. You can see my glossy lids. So this was quite helpful. So these were some of the viral TikTok hacks that we tried today, and I hope you guys like it, and let me know your favorite hack in the comments below. Mine is definitely this eyeliner hack. If you enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my new videos. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.